Hello. This video is an introduction to the Northwoods Software ACT2Excel plugin for the ACT Contact Manager. I will show you how to fill out an invoice with the contact's details automatically with ACT2Excel. Let's get started. I have opened Microsoft Excel. I will now open Northwoods invoice template. It is located in My Documents under Northwoods Software ACT2Excel Template Sample Invoice. Here you see the sample template we have provided for you. ACT2Excel allows you to copy a contact's information into an Excel file, for example, to make filling out an invoice much easier. To tell ACT2Excel what information to put in which cell, you name the cells. This invoice already has some cells named. For example, if we look at the Name cell underneath the Bill To cell, we can see it is named CF Contact. This tells ACT2Excel to copy the value of the contact field from ACT to the invoice. Let's add a field. I'm going to add the name of the record manager beneath the Thank You for Your Business cell. I'm going to click the cell, then I'm going to click the name box and enter the name of the record manager field. I'll type CF underscore to tell ACT2Excel that this is an ACT field. Then I'm going to type record manager. Because record manager has a space in it, I'm going to type underscore blank underscore where the space is. So you see I've named this cell CF record blank manager. Now I will look at the name manager. Here you can see all of the field names used in this document. You may notice some of these are not CF. Some of them are special. Special fields are used in this invoice in two cases. Here, we use special date now to input today's date. We also use special city, state, zip here to input the properly formatted city, state, and zip code. We also use setting fields to tell ACT2Excel what to do with this file. You can see at the bottom of the document that there are some extra cells. Let's look at the first one here. Settings Save As specifies the name of the file which ACT2Excel will create. You can use fields in this name too. As you see, we are using the contact field. I'll add company as well. Now it will be saved as invoice-company-contact. This next setting is setting visible. If it is set to true, ACT2Excel will open the created file so that you can edit it. The next setting is setting attach. If this is set to true, ACT2Excel will attach the generated file to the contact's Documents tab so that you can access it later. Okay, this invoice is ready. Let's save it so that we can open it in ACT2Excel. Now let's go over to ACT. Okay, here I have opened the contact whose details I want to put into the invoice. Now I will click the ACT2Excel button. This lists all of the templates that ACT2Excel knows about. I'll click Add Template to point it at the invoice we just created. And it appears in the list. I'll click it and hit Run, so that ACT2Excel will put the contact's information into the selected invoice. Now Excel has opened up with the new file, like we told it to. You can see that the contact's details have been filled in. Notice today's date was placed into the date field. And at the bottom, the record manager's name is right where we told it to be. Notice the name of the file. Just as we specified, it's invoice, company name, contact name. This file is the new generated editable invoice. I'll go back to ACT. If I click the Documents tab, we can see the invoice that ACT2Excel just created. It has been attached to the contact and moved to ACT's Shared Attachments folder, so anyone in the database can see it and edit it. If I double-click it, I can open it and edit it in Excel. That's the end of this short Getting Started introduction to Northwoods Software's ACT2Excel plugin for ACT. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about the other options offered by ACT2Excel, look in the user guide. Thank you.